The reality is that the words and sentences and speeches which we apply, which we develop, which we execute, have enormous influence and unbelievable control not only over our own mindset but also that over the others' perception, influencing their action, behavior, habit, and also determining either significant happiness, prosperity, contentment in their lives, or basically drowning them into the abyss or labyrinth of depression, frustration, chaos, anyways, in one or another, because words are powerful. Words are so strong that they can also be considered to be invincible or unbearable or unconquerable, because words and ideas do not perish. They continue to exist in one or another and operate in very invisible, subtle ways. Even though the people are dead, the people die in one or another from whom ideas and words sometimes come, but their ideas stay in power. And any idea can be taken up at any point in time and used by anyone for the establishment of power, superiority, dominance over society or over the weak, poor sections of people inside of the world in one or another. Because if dictatorship, fascism, totalitarianism have already ended a long time ago, then why are they still in use in this modern world? In many societies, democracies are degenerating into very powerful, fascistic, authoritarian sort of rule, which is being inevitably controlled by the donors, because the modern democracy and liberal society are already hijacked, penetrated, and infiltrated by the donor class, by the globalists, billionaires anyway, so who seem to be able to get their ways and maximize their advantage. And basically, these wars, conflicts are happening because of the will and ambition of the globalists and not because of the politicians. But politicians are only puppets at the hands of the globalist elite in one or another. So, definitely, we must try to use as little words as we possibly can and also utilize our words with absolute sufficiency, character, clarity, humility, modesty, moderation, and compassion, which we obviously need to apply in our behavior, action, habit as well, and not just words or speech, which we have to develop and cultivate these virtues definitely individually, separately from each other. We must obviously remain silent and indifferent for the most part, and even when we are speaking, we need to say very little words or nothing at all, and also use very obviously few sentences to convey our expression and communicate our viewpoint, standpoint, anyways, to the others. Because the more we speak, the more we run the risk of being misunderstood